Hi guys, we're in Redfern Park once again. Welcome back to Traversing Travels. We'll be headed around Moore Park Golf Course and Moore Park Parklands. We're starting off in Redfern Park with the most beautiful bride in the world. Say hello.
Hi.
Yes.
Wow.
So beautiful.
Thank you.
It's a beautiful ground, right?
Wow, and photographer. Amazing. Just once again, here in Redfern Park, you never know what you're going to expect with Traversing Travels. Okay, let's go for a ride. Okay, let's go for a run up to Bondi Junction throughout the parks. Probably best way to go to Bondi Junction. Let's have some fun. Okay, thank you. Wow. Redfern Park. Fountain. Playground. Really clean, good barbecue areas. Aboriginal style play gyms and fountains. Great place for kids. Redfern Oval, home of the Rabbitohs. Yeah. Okay, we're coming up to Moorhead Street. We cut through the block of flats here, and we'll continue on down Centennial Street to approximately Moore Park Gardens. On a beautiful, beautiful, crisp Sydney winter's day. And I've forgotten the microphone once again, but the DJI Action 5 Pro seems to go perfectly well without it. Okay, this is Centennial Street. I'll be crossing Baptist Street, continuing on Burke Street. We're making a right. But we'll cruise down Capel Street here because we just love the terraces through here. One of the most charming and probably highly priced streets in the area. Lovely, lovely terraces and trees. You can see the magnificent architecture. Yeah. Just love this street. Just past a park to the on the right-hand side back there that usually is stocked up with children's toys for all the children to share. Now we're coming on to dedicated bicycle lanes. Lowering the power levels on the bike very slowly as there's a daycare up ahead here. So again, cyclists on the right-hand side here is a daycare, so pretty important to be careful of the children. And of course, council workers improving the parks at all times. Lovely, lovely park here in Moore Park Gardens. Let's have a little cruise around. I believe beneath us is actually a swimming pool. Beautiful park here. Moore Park Gardens. Leave the park and join the footbridge. Connects with Mount Steele and Moore Park Golf Course. Nice little suspension footbridge up ahead. Also, we have quite a busy freeway here. All right. See? The golf course. Moore Park Golf Course. Lovely bush track through there, leading up to Mount Steele. Moore Park. Variety of things that are on. Stop a video there and have a little look. Maps, even Braille available. Okay. For a ride. We love the Mamba. Never let us down. A little bit chilly today. I haven't checked the weather, but I'd say it's about 16 degrees. And this being a Thursday, that's the last opportunity to get some filming done. Apparently we're getting an Antarctic. But for those in the Northern Hemisphere, freezing cold weather blast about to come on. Here we go up to Mount Steele, overlooking the golf course. Mountain just screams to go off the road at all times. Loves it. Here we are. Moore Park Golf Course. It's the end of the driving range. Moore Park Golf Course driving range. Seems so busy today. It is rather cold. So let's have a little look at the view here. Whee! We're on beautiful Mount Steele. In the distance. Excuse my panting, such good cardio. Good for the old lungs. Once again, it does demonstrate, for those who doubt the legitimacy of exercise on e-bikes, you can decide how much exercise you get. Alright. Driving range. I think we'll take a back. Oh, loves to go off-road. Yes, sir. Wow. Yeah, I love it. Slow and easy for the pedestrians. Now passing Moore Park Golf Course, as one can see on the sign. The right-hand side, we have tennis courts available as well. There's golf, food, and fun. Absolutely. We're now coming up to Anzac Parade. Across Anzac Parade. Now headed towards Parklands. Really good for the cardio. Left-hand side here, we have the entertainment court, known as Foxtel Studios. A little further up here on the left, we have the Moore Park Equestrian Center, where one can actually rent horses to have a ride around Moore Park. All right. We're entering Moore Park Parklands. Great place to go horse riding, as I was just saying. You can rent horses from the Equestrian Center. You can have guided horse tours. Ride bikes, go jogging. A lovely coffee. Many, many things to do. Bushwalking. E-cycle vlogging. Just gotta make you smile. Cruise down through here. Why don't we go and see the gooses? Beautiful lake. Centennial Park. Or Park. Golflands. Golflands. Wow, how beautiful is this? How beautiful is this? A great place to come and have a picnic. Absolutely beautiful. And sometimes, I believe, what a romantic place to come and have a picnic. Let's go find those gooses. Slowly here, don't want to frighten the gooses. Or a gander. There are species of birds here. Mud. Hello, gooses. Wow. Whoa. Hello, goosey. How about that, eh? Hello. Wow. Got sulfur-crested cockatoos flying over. How about that? You can see the cockatoos, we can certainly hear them. I don't think the big goose likes those cockatoos at all.